Hi, in this video we will understand Revit element and the different types of elements used in Revit. Let's start. Revit elements. In Revit, almost everything you create is called an element, from walls and doors to ducts and furnitures. These elements are the building blocks of a project and are controlled using families which define their shape, size and behavior inside the model. So this is what Revit element is. And the second important thing is the types of Revit elements. Revit mainly uses three types of elements: model element, datum element, and view specific elements. Let's understand them one by one. So model elements. Model elements represents the actual 3D physical parts of the building and are visible in different project views. So further model elements can be classified into two. One is host elements and another one is model components. The host elements are the main building elements that are created directly in the project and can support other elements. The best example are wall, floors, roof, and ceiling. Model components are elements placed on or inside hosted elements to complete the building model. So architectural stairs, windows, doors, furniture, structural beam, column, isolated footings, rebars, MEP pipes, ducts, sprinklers, air terminals. These are all good MEP examples. And the second type is datum elements. Datum elements are reference elements used to organize, align, and control the building model. And the good example is grids, levels, and reference plane. Third type is view specific element. So view specific elements appears only in the view where they are placed and are mainly used for what? For documentation and detailing purpose. So view specific elements are further categorized into two: annotation element, detail elements. So annotation elements used to label and document the model. Examples: text notes, tags, symbols, dimensions, etc. And detail elements used to add extra 2D detailing information in a view. Example like detail lines, filled regions, 2D detail components, etc. So these are the main types of Revit elements used inside a project. Understanding these elements is very important because almost everything in Revit is created and organized using them. Hope you like the video. Click the like button, hit a thumbs up in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.